Can you shoot the Steyr AUG from the left shoulder without a case reflector? I'll show you with just one simple adjustment. The AUG ejects its casings to the right, which makes left side shooting risky. Without a case reflector, hot cartridge cases can hit your face. Most shooters therefore mount a case reflector, such as the Corvus Defensio, to redirect the cases. But what if you don't have one? Here's the key. Adjust your head position. Pull your head back slightly from the sights. This puts your face out of the casing's trajectory. Simple and effective.
It's not for everyone, but it's possible with the right technique. Stay safe, stay informed, and push your limits.